Hey, Quinn here with Marq, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our free gift certificate maker in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, go ahead and select Start Designing from the gift certificate maker page, or you can scroll up to the top and select Sign Up Free in the navigation bar anywhere on the site. If you haven't already, this is going to prompt you to create a new free account with Marq. After completing those steps, you'll land on the logged in homepage of Marq. Step 2, you have a couple options. You can either come up to the top right and select New Project and then Blank Project to start from scratch. Or, for this example, we're going to come over here to Templates and we're going to do a quick search for Gift Certificate. Be sure to have Marq Templates selected. And now we have a handful of beautiful gift certificate templates that we can choose from. So let's go ahead and grab one that we like. I'm going to double click on this and select Create Document. We'll give it a couple seconds to load. And just like that, we have the beginnings of a beautiful gift certificate that we can now react to and start to make changes to, which brings us to step 3, the fun part, Start Designing. You can make edits, remove, add all sorts of elements from text, colors, shapes, other imagery, and much more. Let me show you quickly what I mean. Let's say I'm running a campaign for higher education, and let's make a gift certificate now for higher education. So let's change up our image first. Let's come over here to our stock images and look for a university. And I'm going to go ahead and grab the image here, drag it over, and hover over the existing image. It's going to replace and then resize that image. And then we can come over here to the right hand side. I'm going to select it and select Crop and Mask so that I can reorient where I want that to be. So first, I'm going to bring down the window so I know where I'm working with, and I'm going to resize this just a bit. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Enter. Then I'm going to come over here to this lorem ipsum, and let's update this to say, first time tuition. And then let's go ahead and update this to be a different color. We will change the text color here to be maybe this blue. And I also want to say, let's go ahead and resize this. And center it. And let's get our alignment here as well. And then we'll put it here in the middle. And just like that, in 3 easy steps, you were able to create a beautiful gift certificate without much technical knowledge. Go ahead and like and subscribe so you can stay up on all the latest videos where we show you how to compound these tools to ultimately get the most out of Marq. For example, collaboration with your teams, creating branded templates where you can lock in components of the template for your team, as well as dynamically populated fields, ultimately enabling your brand to do more. Thanks.